These mechanical toy videos are blowing up on TikTok right now. This page has gained 379,000 followers and their videos have hit 32, 23 and 22 million views. And because their videos are over a minute long, they're pulling in thousands of dollars every month from TikTok. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make them yourself. Here's what I made in just 2 minutes. So to get started, click the description link and you will land this Explore GPT's page. Using this GPT, you can easily generate mechanical toy videos. First, click Start the generator. It's going to give you 10 different concept ideas. Pick one of these as you like. You can pick a number, type your own idea, or just say more for a fresh batch. I'm going to go with number 7. The GPT will now give you 6 different options. Each one comes with a before image prompt, an after image prompt, and a video prompt for the transformation. So just copy the first image prompt of the one you like and head over to Flow AI. The link's in the description. First go to image section and select 9:16 ratio. Now paste the first image prompt, wait a few seconds, and it will generate your first image, as you can see. Just download it. Now back to Chat GPT and copy the second image prompt. Again back to Flow AI and pasted the second image prompt with the same settings and it will generate your second image. Just download it. Now back and go to video section. Select 9:16 ratio. Now add the first image in start frame and second image in end frame just like that. Now one last time back to ChatGPT and copy the video generation prompt. Now go to Flow AI and paste the video generation prompt. Now it will give you the final video. So that's the full workflow. I will try to teach you easier than easy. If you can feel it, just hit subscribe. And yeah, all the links you need are in the description.